What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva, and for today's video I'm gonna be doing a sleep back ponytail on my short hair. I'm gonna start off by blowing my hair out as much as I can with this paddle brush and my blow dryer. And this blow dryer, I got it from TikTok shop. It was sent to me by Tideway, so if you're interested, you could go over there to my TikTok and check it out. I'm parting my hair on the side because I want to do a swoop bang going to one side. To slick my hair down today, I'm going to be using this Slick Slade gel, and I'm going to be brushing it into my hair. I'm also going to be parting my hair into a little section and add the gel in between the hair. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the other side. One thing I wish I did though was add the gel from the lower part coming on up to this side. I feel like it would have been easier for me, but this is what I did. Now I'm using a bigger comb to comb everything through and lay the hair down. So I'm spraying some water on my hair because the gel that I was using is kind of dry or kind of hard, but I have it for a long time, so that could explain why. So yeah, I'm spraying some water on the hair so it will soften up my hair and the gel a little bit so the gel will blend in more. So y'all, the hair tie that I'm using, if y'all never heard of it, go check it out. It's on Shein. These are unbreakable and you could use them over and over again. I love them so much. So now that I have the hair in a bun right where I want it, I'm gonna go back over it with my comb and some more of the gel and try to get it to lay in place exactly how I want it to look. So here I'm laying my edges. I could have left them how they were, but I just felt like, you know, do something with them to make the style look a little bit nicer. And I'm just finishing up the other side, and after that I'm gonna tie it down and let it dry while I do my makeup. Now I'm all done with the makeup, so I'm gonna take this hair scarf off and finish up the look. The ponytail I'm gonna be using today is from Better Length, and this is a hair that I have for a while now, so I just decided to use it for this style. I'm spraying some water on it to loosen up the curls, and then I'm gonna add some cream onto it to bring those curls back to life. And here I'm just pulling on it to loosen up the curls. And if you don't have a ponytail like this, you could always go to your local beauty supply store and find one that will be much cheaper than this one. This is the cream that I'm gonna be adding onto it. It's called Moisture Miracle Curling Cream by African Pride. Now I'm gonna go ahead and attach the ponytail onto my little bun in the back. And attaching this ponytail is pretty self-explanatory, but if you are not familiar with this thing, it comes with clips and strings which will help you to put it in your hair much easier. So since the string is so long, I like to wrap it around the base of the ponytail, and then I use a pin like this one here to hold it in place. And that's it, y'all. I'm all done with adding in the ponytail in the back of my hair. I'm all done with the hairstyle, and I really like it, but I would love to know what you guys think about it. I try a sleek down ponytail on my very short hair, and I think it came out good for the most part, especially since my hair is so short. And I can't wait to do more of these kind of hairstyle for you guys, especially now that I'm growing my hair back, and I'm so excited about it. If you guys want to see more hairstyle like this, let me know by commenting down below, and I will definitely make sure to bring them your way. Also, if there's any other suggestions you have that you would like to see me do, let me know also in the comment box. My top I'm wearing today is from Shein. The necklace is from Rainbow. I believe I got it a long time ago. I don't really remember, and I think the earrings are also from Rainbow. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask them down below. I will get back to them as soon as I possibly can. Make sure you guys tune into my channel this Saturday, February 15. I have a special guest that will be coming onto my channel. I'm going to be doing her makeup, and this person, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know her because she was very popular back then. So make sure you guys tune in. The video is going to be a little bit different from what I normally post, but also a little bit similar to what I post. But yeah, make sure you tune in. If this is your first time on my channel, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Take care, guys.